What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2022 Chevy Traverse. Like I said, it's a 22 Traverse in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So you'll need the vehicle running, and then the only buttons I'm going to be using are the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. I'm going to focus in on the dash, but just so you know what I'm pressing, when I say I'm pressing left, right, up, down, and check mark. So whichever screen you're starting from, the first thing you're going to do is press left, and that'll take you to this screen. Then you're going to scroll down, press down or up, depending on where you're starting from, until you have info highlighted, then press the check mark. Then once we're on this screen, scroll up or down until we get to the oil life. Once you're on this screen, press the right button. That'll bring you to this screen. And then once you have this screen up, press the check mark. And then press up. And once yes is highlighted, press the check mark again. And as you can see there, it reset to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.